Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to take you on a journey from design to reality. We're going to show you how our construction pros turn your vision into a beautiful and functional reality. Whether you're just starting out or have a renovation project in mind, this video is for you. So sit back, grab a pen and paper, and get ready to take some notes. Number 1. Understanding your vision. The first step in turning your vision into a reality is understanding what you want. Our construction pros take the time to listen to your ideas, needs, and preferences to get a clear understanding of what you're looking for. They'll ask questions, take measurements, and offer suggestions to help you clarify your vision. Number 2. Designing the space. The second step in our process of turning your vision into a reality is designing the space. Our construction professionals utilize their expertise and the latest technology to bring your design to life. With the use of 3D modeling software, they create a virtual tour of your space so you can see exactly what it will look like before any construction work begins. This virtual tour is not just a simple 2D sketch or blueprint, it's a fully interactive 3D model that you can walk through and experience in real time. This allows you to get a better feel for the space and make any necessary changes to the design before construction starts. You can see different material options, change the placement of furniture, and even experiment with different lighting setups. Having a visual representation of your design before construction begins helps to avoid any misunderstandings or surprises during the construction process. Our construction professionals work closely with you to ensure that the design accurately reflects your vision and meets your needs and preferences. In summary, the purpose of designing the space is to bring your vision to life and to give you a better understanding of what your finished space will look like. Our construction professionals use their expertise and the latest technology to create a 3D model of your space so you can see what it will look like before construction begins. Number 3. Selecting materials. Once the design is complete, the next step is to select the materials that will be used to bring your vision to life. This is where our construction professionals come in to help you make informed decisions about the materials that will be used in your renovation project. They will help you choose materials that fit your design, budget, and quality requirements. They'll provide you with options for different types of materials, such as flooring, cabinetry, fixtures, and more, and help you understand the pros and cons of each option. They'll also provide you with recommendations based on their experience, so you can make the best choice for your project. Our construction professionals understand the importance of balancing quality and cost, and they'll work with you to find a solution that meets both of your needs. They'll help you find the best value for your budget, without sacrificing the quality of the materials. In summary, selecting the right materials is a critical step in turning your vision into a reality. Our construction professionals will help you make informed decisions about the materials that will be used in your renovation project. They'll provide you with options, recommendations, and help you balance quality and cost, so you can get the best value for your budget. Number 4. Hiring a contractor. Once the design is complete and the materials have been selected, it's time to hire a contractor. Our construction pros will help you find the right contractor for the job, based on their experience, reputation, and price. They'll make sure that the contractor is licensed, insured, and has a good track record, so you can be confident in your choice. Number 5. Starting the project. With the design in place and a contractor in hand, it's time to start the project. Our construction pros will work with your contractor to ensure that the project is completed on time and within budget. They'll provide regular updates and communicate with you throughout the process, so you always know what's happening. Number 6. Dealing with challenges. During any construction project, there are bound to be challenges. Our construction pros are experienced in dealing with these challenges, and they'll work with you and your contractor to find the best solution. They'll make sure that your vision is not compromised and that the project stays on track. We hope that you've enjoyed this journey from design to reality. We hope that you've learned how our construction pros turn your vision into a beautiful and functional reality. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content.